Welcome back to the railroad, everyone. Today we're going to work on a project from last year. Today we're going to work on the rebuild of the wall some more. So let's get to it. So if you recall from the last episode, this is what my wall used to look like. Old railroad ties that are disintegrating. So with all these railroad ties removed, we set about leveling the ground and then pouring a pad for the concrete blocks to set upon. Note that there is some rebar sticking through some of the existing blocks, and I have added rebar to some of the pad that we poured in place. Our next step was to set the blocks in place. Now I used an unconventional form of securing the blocks to the base and to each other. I used liquid nails construction adhesive. Now I know a lot of you are going to say that that liquid nails will never hold these concrete blocks in place. And you're probably right if that's all I ever did. So keep watching, you'll see a little more here that will explain this better. However, it rained like mad in between some of the days of my setting the bricks, and a lot of earth fell from behind. So we had some cleanup we had to do before we could finish laying the bricks in place. But it wasn't that bad, and we did get the rest of the bricks laid out, glued in place. Now, how many of you noticed that these bricks are not all the same width? You'll see some at 8 inches wide, some at 10 inches wide, and there's some in here at 12 inches wide. The reason being, I like to purchase things on sale, and I went to a company out here, Murphy's Auto Auction. They don't sell only cars, they sell everything. And I bought 3 pallet loads, 2 of the 10-inch wide pallet loads of bricks for $25, and 1 of the 12-inch wide bricks for a little more than that. But I got great deals on all of them, and that's what's being used to build this wall. Now I'm sure you're still yelling that liquid nails is not going to hold these concrete blocks in place. Well, what I did was filled every other opening in the blocks with concrete. Plus there are a lot more rebars than what you saw. Of course, I did not get a photo of every other of the voids filled with concrete, but they are. And thank God for my wife having me buy the concrete mixer. I've done a lot of concrete in my life, and that makes it so much easier. Well, I hope you enjoyed all that. I think it's time to stop and go run some trains now. So long as it doesn't fall off. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and we'll see you down the rails. God bless now.